This is our lesson number 10, and in this lesson we will do some more practice of order of operations, and we will use the BEDMAS or PEMDAS. BEDMAS and PEMDAS both have the same meaning. This is for bracket, exponent, division, multiplication, addition and subtractions. And here we P for parenthesis. All the remaining is same: parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. So we will learn, or we will discuss few more questions. Here in this lesson, instead of BEDMAS, I will use PEMDAS. So you will be familiar with PEMDAS as well, but both have the same meaning: P for parenthesis, B for brackets. So suppose our question number 1 is 8 plus 3 in parenthesis, and then multiplication, and then 8 divided by 2, and then minus sign 4 multiplied by 6. Right? In this question we have a parenthesis, we have this parenthesis, we have multiplication, we have division, we have addition, we have subtractions. Right? So how to solve this question? So first is parenthesis. We will solve whatever is in the parenthesis. So here is 8 plus 3, right? So 8 plus 3 equal to 11. So we have solved this parenthesis and write down whatever is here. Multiply by 8 divided by 2 minus 4 into 6, right? In the next step, now we have 11 multiplied by 8 divided by 2. So see, here we have multiplication and division as well. So what you will do first? You will divide 8 divided by 2, it will be 4, right? Or you have to multiply 4 by 6 or what? So just we have to solve this part according to PEMDAS, and you have to go from left to right. Keep in mind, left to right. So in left we have 8 multiplied by 8, 11 multiplied by 8 first, so it is 88, right? And then is the division sign, and then 2 minus 4, 6 times 24, right? These type of questions we have to follow BEDMAS. But if multiplication or division all are in one line, so we have to go from left to right. Keep in mind, first left is multiplication, 11 multiplied by 8, 88, divided by 2 minus 24. Now is the division, 88 divided by 2, which is equal to 44, minus 24. And then is addition or subtraction, 44 minus 24 equal to 20. Right? We will discuss one more question. Here you have to multiply 9 by 2, plus in parenthesis we have 7 plus 4 multiplied by another parenthesis with 6 minus 4, and then parenthesis close, divided by 5 multiplied by 3. So in this question we have multiplication, addition, parenthesis, right, subtraction, division, almost all operations are here. So we have to follow the PEMDAS. If you will follow the PEMDAS, there is zero chance that your answer will be wrong. Always your answer will be correct, but you have to follow the PEMDAS or BEDMAS. So first is the parenthesis. So in this case, see, we have two parentheses. This one. First is this, and inside this parenthesis we have another 6 minus 4. So we have to solve this parenthesis first. Write down whatever is here, 9 multiplied by 2 plus bracket start 7 plus 4, right? And here just in second step we have to solve only this part, 6 minus 4, which is equal to 2. And this is the multiplication sign, this one. And now we have solved this parenthesis, it's gone. And then divided by 5 multiplied by 3. right? Now we have to solve this parenthesis. So write down as it is 9 multiplied by 2 plus. So what you will do first? 7 plus 4, 11, and then 11 multiplied by 2, which will be equal to 22. And this is wrong, right? Why? Because Pemdas first multiplication comes, then addition. So you have to multiply first 4 multiplied by 2. Do not add 4 plus 7 plus 4 first. Follow Pemdas, right? Parenthesis, exponent, multiplication. So 4 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 8, and then write down divided by 5 and 3. Step by step. Do not jump from here to here quickly, right? Step by step we will do. And then 9 multiplied by 2 plus, this is 7 plus 8. Now you have to solve this parenthesis, which is 15. Now we have solved this parenthesis, it's gone, and divided by 5 multiplied by 3, right? Now 9 2 times 18. Now what you will do? You will add this first or you will multiply this first. What you will do? Again from left to right. We have to go from left to right. So from left to right, we have 9 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 18, plus as it is, right? And then 15 divided by 5, which is equal to 5. 3 times 15, 3, and then multiply by 3. So if you have in one line there is multiplication, division, so you have to move from left to right. Left is 18, then plus, and then divide this first. Do not multiply 5 3 times 15 or 15 divided by 15, which is equal to 1. Then your answer will be wrong. So left to right, 18, 15 divided by 5, 3, and then multiply by 3. Then 18 plus 3 times 3 is 9, or 27 is our answer. One more question. In this question, we will use exponent as well. So 45 divided by parenthesis 3 square multiplied by 1 parenthesis closed. So what is the first part? How you will solve? I think now you are familiar with the PEMDAS questions. So first you have to solve the parenthesis. In parenthesis we have 3 square multiplied by 1. So 3 square, it does not mean that 3 2 times 6. No, it means that 3 is 2 times, like this. 3 3 times 9. So 9 multiplied by 1, this parenthesis we have solved it. So 9 multiplied by 1, 45 divided by 9, which is equal to 5 is the answer. If you have an exponent, it means, again I'm explaining, it means that this number is 2 times. If suppose we have 3 cube, it means 3 is 3 times, 3 into 3 into 3, right? So this is always. So we have finished our 10 lessons. In our 10 lessons, we have used the PEMDAS or BEDMAS rule, and you know very well now where to change the sign and where you do not change the sign. Right? It is very important. Again, go through these 10 lessons. If still you have any question, you can write down in the comment section without hesitation. I will try my best to answer it, right? But please do not forget to subscribe my channel on YouTube, Sci My Academy. Thank you so much.